In this video, I will share the big mistakes that small YouTubers make when they upload a new video that honestly I wish someone told me before this video of mine dropped from 85,000 impressions per day to 15,000 impressions per day. I mean, it still got over 1 million views, but it could have been so much more. I'm Jordan, by the way, made over $5 million, hired over 50 people. Let me explain what happened. On September 21st, I uploaded a new video. It was not a normal new upload. It was one that would change the trajectory of my new channel. I even had to turn off monetization for it. More about that later. Now, I thought I was doing the right thing, staying consistent, feeding the algorithm, keeping up the momentum. But what actually happened? Complete opposite. Impressions dropped, as you can see. Views slowed down. 1.2 million views I got, but that could have been so much more. The same way you could have gotten so much more views on your past uploads by avoiding this. And to be honest, it wasn't random. I mean, looking back, it's obvious why it happened. Painfully obvious. Because I made two critical mistakes that I wish someone warned me about. One simple thing that most creators overlook until it is too late. And one more complex issue. All of this may leave you with the question, how do I stop preventing my current uploads from blowing up? Well, comment the word mistake below and I will send you the big mistake and reasons how I fucked up my channel that you can avoid doing in your next videos. It's free. Just like my free thumbnail pack with templates to create thumbnails like this, and this in minutes. For free. Anyways, so what is my first lesson? Sometimes the best move is to not upload. Because what actually happened? Why did the video that I uploaded after my big banger, the one that I thought would actually help my channel, why did that new video end up hurting my channel? Well, let's zoom out for a second. Because if you look at how social media algorithms probably work. And I say probably because I don't pretend to know the algorithm, as I've not dated a YouTube employee yet. But based on my research on job posts, patents, and what engineers have actually publicly said, the following makes the most sense. What recommendation systems actually do, especially on platforms like YouTube, is that they look at sequences. Two kinds, two different ones, mainly short sequence features and long sequence features. Now that has nothing to do with short videos and long videos, because look closely, a sequence is just what did you do and in what order. So for example, your last 50 videos watched, that is a short sequence. And your last 1,000 videos watched, that is a long sequence. Now apply this to all kinds of behaviors you have on YouTube, even the smallest ones. Last 50 liked videos, last 10 search queries, last 1,000 videos clicked on but left after 10 seconds. All of this gets stored as features. Basically the platform is learning what you look like in terms of behavior, both recently and over time. So when you upload something new, while your old video is performing well, you could be giving YouTube the option to stop showing your viral video and start showing your new one if you make the same mistake as me. And then this can happen, where right at this spot, the old video stops doing as well. As you can see, there's a small drop and then you've started the decline. It's only the beginning. But this can go two ways. The best case, of course, the new video reinforces the signals of the old one. And of course, then it boosts the video. Everything rises. The worst case, you break the sequence. You confuse the algorithm, the model. And now it's not sure anymore who your channel is for. So it starts testing less aggressively. Your old video gets shown less. Even if it was still getting great stats, like it was the case for me. And here is where I went wrong. My video could have gotten so much more views than just 1 million if I didn't make this mistake. Again, comment the word mistake and I'll send you exactly what I did wrong, including screenshots that you can now use and avoid in your next videos. Again, it's free, just like my Google Sheet I made with over 70 free YouTube tools, all unsponsored, not affiliated. Just a list of tools that I wish someone sent me before I started my business and before I wasted a lot of costs on subscription tools. And the 50 people I've hired will also use those subscription tools or not use most of them or didn't have to use them, better used free alternatives. Anyways, that being said, 1 million viewed videos like I have is nice, but if there's one other thing I wish someone told me before I blew up, it is this. In this video. See you there? Or in my powerful emails. Yes, even more powerful than this guy. In my emails, I share things like how I got this gift from Google. Yeah. So if you want that too, read my emails. Or things like this, where I changed my face for the Studio Ghibli version in the thumbnail and got a significantly higher click-through rate, as you can see. So read my emails if you like practical YouTube tips or not. Talk soon.